Well, you are finally at the last stage of your writing process. You're at the publishing stage. Today and tomorrow, you're just going to work on the last little bit. Really, no writing, just reviewing your editing, things like that, to publish your final essay. Now, in your assignment, you have the specifics of what I want you to do for your final publishing of your essay. All right. The first thing that you're going to do, and I'm going to say this here, but you have it in your assignment, so please check that and use it as a checklist when you go through your publishing part. This is like the technical part of it on your as you're doing your typing. Okay. So I'm going to switch to that screen so you can see me. You just can't see what I have here. You are going to add a title to the top of your story. Most of you don't have a title. It's fine. You usually add a title at the very end. When you do your title, make sure you capitalize your title correctly. Please don't put it in all caps. Use the correct formatting for a title. First word gets capitalized, last word gets capitalized, and all important words. And then you're going to make sure you center that on your document. Right. The next thing I want you to make sure is that your font size is no larger than 12. Okay. The default is 11, and that's fine. You can leave it 11, but no larger than 12 for that font size. And then please don't change the style this time. I don't want any fancy stuff. It's not necessarily in this one. If we were to have time to do some more, we could do that, but we're not going to. Line spacing needs to be 1.5. So some of your defaults will set it that way. Some of you have it at 1 based on what I've been seeing in your drafts. So make sure that you have your line spacing. In order to do that, I kind of showed that in the Google Meet last week. So if you weren't there, you need to make sure that you, if you're not at 1.5, you click and drag on everything that you have there. And then you go up to your format, you find line spacing, and you change it to 1.5. Next, you make sure that you don't have extra spaces between your paragraphs. There should still be 1.5 space between your paragraphs. So don't hit enter twice, right? When you do that, you actually double it. So you have 3. You don't want to do that. Everything should be uniform all the way through. The examples that you saw were a little bit different, right? That's a different way of formatting. We're not doing that formatting style. Proofread it. When you think you are absolutely done, proofread it again, because typing errors happen. Extra spaces, missing spaces, things like that happen. You know what? It's not going to be perfect. I understand that, but those specific things that I'm looking for, which are capitalization, spelling, punctuation, sentence structure, making sure that you have um, complete sentences and not fragments or run-ons. Those are the things I'll be looking for. They are in the rubric that I attached, so you can see exactly how I'm going to grade it. Typing mistakes happen. It's okay to have a parent check it, but remember that no one's perfect, right? Even if a parent checks it, um, that's fine. And then read through it that very last time before you're finished. Just read through it again. And you're probably sick of hearing it again, but read it out loud to yourself. Don't try to read it in your head, because when we read out loud, we tend to catch more mistakes than we read when we read in our head. We just kind of run through things in our head. If you feel that it is your very best and you are proud to turn it in, now you're going to share that document with me. And congratulations, you're done.